HUTT10 Operation Guide. The upper part of the machine is a square disc, and the lower part is a circular disc. For square disc cloth installation, attach the cloth along the shape of the chassis, ensuring the surface remains flat. For circular disc cloth installation, first, disassemble the circular disc, then fit the cloth set into place. After fitting, press along the buckles to secure the circular disc. Open the water tank cover. Fill an appropriate amount of cleaning solution or clean water into a water bottle. Pour it into the water tank, then tighten the tank stopper firmly and check for leaks. Connect the machine's power cord to the adapter. Connect the plug's power cord to the adapter. Connect the power cord to the socket. Hook the safety ropes onto a reliable, unmovable object. Reel up the ropes once or twice to secure them. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the machine. Then place it on the glass, away from the window frame. After confirming the machine is absorbed to the glass, press the circular power button briefly for 1 second. The machine will start working. Once the machine starts working, when operating indoors, it will first move left to the left side of the window, then travel upward. After reaching the top right corner, along the window edge, it will clean the window from top to bottom, following a zigzag path. After the cleaning is completed, the device will return to the starting location. For dry cleaning mode, press the water spray switch button on the remote control directly to turn off the water spray function. Press it again to turn the function back on. Press the direction keys on the remote control, and the machine will move in the corresponding direction to the end. When moving individually upward, downward, left, right, no water will be sprayed. When the machine is on the outer window, press the directional keys. The machine moves left-right in the opposite direction to when it is on the inner window. Click by one button, the machine re-wipes. Press the path button, and the machine will switch to deep cleaning mode for wiping. Press the path button again in deep cleaning mode to revert to daily cleaning mode. Press the cycle clean key. The machine performs fixed point cleaning. After the machine stops working, hold the machine firmly and press and hold the start button for a few seconds. Once the machine's operating noise diminishes, remove the machine. HUTT10 usage precautions. Don't use the product on cracked or damaged glass. Use it only when the window frame width is at least 6 millimeters. Ensure the glass size is larger than 30 centimeters height. And check for any abnormal conditions such as unevenness, protrusions, gaps, or notches in the environment. Don't use this product on glass with existing cracks, divertising stickers, or bumps to avoid risks such as glass breakage or product falling. If the machine is out of reach, after cleaning is completed, first use the remote control to move the machine to a position where it can be easily accessed by hand. Then remove the machine. If the remote control malfunctions, hold the safety cord while pressing it against the glass. Ensure the safety cord remains perpendicular to the robot. Then slowly pull the robot back to a position within your reach before removing it. Don't place the machine on the ground after use. If particles or other substances on the ground, stick to the cleaning cloth. The particles may easily scratch the glass during subsequent use. Cleaning and maintenance of HUTT10. Remove the cleaning cloth and soak it in clean water of 20°C for 2 minutes. Clean it with a soft bristle brush. Don't knead or wring out the cloth. Air dry it before use again. Bottom suction inlet. Wipe clean with a dry cloth to avoid impairing the product's suction power. If the tracks are dirty, clean them in a timely manner. Turn on the switch, flip the machine over and press, and hold the machine's start switch. The tracks will rotate. Place a wet wipe on the tracks and wipe to clean them easily. After using the machine, drain all water from the water tank. Replace the used cleaning cloth with a clean and dry one, or store the machine without attaching a cleaning cloth. After the machine operates in wet cleaning mode, place it in a dry, ventilated, and cooled area for 1 to 2 days to dissipate the moisture inside the machine.